Hello everybody, how are you? I'm fantastic, super. My name is Naresh Kumar. So today we'll be learning something new, and it is how to increase your vocabulary. Now see, this topic is something like you can find numerous videos on how to increase your vocabulary. Even they can help you even to get every day you may be getting 5-10 words to learn. So what I'm telling you, I want to just give you a simple tips which can help you actually to be keep motivated. I'll just only tell you. I will not teach you now what to learn actually. I'll just tell you how to learn actually. Okay. So always to increase your vocabulary, always start from the low. And if you are in the intermediate of your English, you know at least, and you want to make it fluent, you want to go to the advanced level, and you are at the intermediate, what you can do is that you will increase your speed actually. So what you can do, have in your phone some kind of vocabulary apps or a dictionary or some kind of like subscription. Not the paid one, free one is available. And if you are at the like beginners level, you want to learn English but you are not good at actually, what I can suggest you is that start learning from one word every day. One word, only one word, not more than that. One word can keep you will keep maintain your motivations. That's very important actually. Motivation goes away. If I tell you to do 5 or 10 words, today you'll do it, no doubt, because you are highly motivated. What about tomorrow? So it becomes very tough actually. So start with one word and maintain this one word only. It's better to know something than nothing. So one word every day. Just make a habit to learn one word. Now how to learn? Pick any word from a magazine, from a like any articles you pick from the Googles or from the news. Any new word you find the meaning of it. Make three sentences of your own. First know the meaning properly, and then three sentences. One word, three sentences of yourself. How much time you need? You open your phone, notification came of the news, you found one word, find the meaning in the dictionary, you got the meaning, make a sentence. Three sentences within 1 minute, done. How much time it took? Within 1 minute. Can't you spare 1 minute for your learning for your whole life? Can't you spare 1 minute? Is it very scarcity of time with you? 1 minute, just 1 minute, 60 seconds, less than 60 seconds you can do it. Every day 60 seconds, that is 1 minute you need to find. Morning, always in the morning. Not in the daytime, not in the evening, not in the night. Morning. When you wake up, when you had tea, when you're having tea, when you're browsing through the phone, as soon as you touch the phone, start with the one word. When you're in the middle of the phone, when you got the news or any kind of notification, you found one word, look into the dictionary, make three sentences, done. Every day one word, done. By the end of the year, let's take by the end of the month, you'll have 30 new words. 30 new words. You don't have to learn 40,000 words. You only need to know few hundred words which are new to you, because you already know thousands of words. You have been learning since childhood, since class 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th class, graduation or class 12 or whatever, at whatever stage you are. 40,000 many words you know already. You only need to know few hundred words which can enrich your vocabulary. One word every day, done. Follow it.